This is where the Archbishop of Manila, this is where he holds Mass. Please take no profile aside.
We are never alone when we work for God's kingdom.
Where was the prison during World War II? Where they could...
UST, University of Santo Tomas.
The Americans were...
Yeah. Notice there, the other side. The houses they are moving up. This is also known as PLM or Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila. This is
future military school.
This is Reserve Officer Training Corps. It's mandatory for first year and second year. Nowadays, even for the ladies.
Everybody?
Yes, everybody.
No exception. Right? That's right, you condition, yeah.
Yeah, you try to iron your clothes when there's nothing to do.
I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. And I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day.
Pumapatak na naman ang ulan sa bubong ng bahay. Di maiwasang gumawa ng di inaasahang bagay. Laklak ng laklak ng bir ng magdamagan, may kahirapan at di maiwasan. Mabuti pa kaya matulog ka na lang at baka sumakit ang tiyan. Ang araw ko'y nabubusisi, ako ang nasisisi. Bakit ba sila ganyan? Ang pera ko ay di magkasya, hindi di makapagsine at ayaw namang dagdagan. Ubus na rin ang beer, kaya kape na lang lahat. Sinusubukan kahit walang pulutan. Ang buhay ng tamad, walang hinaharap, ni konting sarap man lang. Radyo, TV at mga lumang comics, wala nang ibang mapaglibangan. At kung meron kang tatawagan, 30 sentimos ika'y makakantasan.
ครับตอนนี้เราอยู่ที่กลางห้างกินเบลนะครับก็เป็นสวนสาธารณะด้วยมีโบสถ์ด้วยมีห้างด้วยครับทุกห้างทุกทางเข้านะครับจะต้องมีรปภตรวจกระเป๋าทุกสิ่งทุกอย่างเพื่อป้องกันมิจฉาชีพหรือว่าผู้ก่อการร้าย
Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Paalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang